Alright, I'm in a 2001 Jag XJR, supercharged one. It should be the same for the XJ8. Here's the third brake light. Let's see how to focus on that. There's a metal runner there, metal runner there. Don't break it. This outer housing alone on eBay, or brand new, I think is $123 or $125, something like that. To take this part off, there's two tabs. One underneath, you can feel it and you can push on it, and the other one here on the other side, push them from the bottom. I'm not unplugging this because the pigtail is wedged underneath the deck. So you can kind of see that one there, and then you see down at the bottom there's a little tab there. That center part, this part here needs to be pulled back on both sides. Be careful, after 19-20 years they tend to dry out plastic, things like that. But you technically don't need to pull this housing off, the outer housing, to remove the brake light. If you pull those two tabs, flex them back slightly one at a time, just pull it just a hair, slide it up, pull the other one just a hair, slide it up, it'll come right off. This is a little bit tough to get back on after it's been off, and when it's loose. There's some open wires over here with some solder points, so you don't want to like really yank on it. But basically, yeah, you just pull those bottom tabs, pull them in, slide it up, pull the other one, slide it up, and just slide it off the top. 2001 XJR, but probably also the XJ8 third brake light.